Also wanted to show you that this is what we bent the roll bar pipe with. Here's some little sections. This is .134 wall steel tubing or pipe. And this is one of those manual benders, which is also known as a pipe kinker because the dies are not made right. The early ones that they made were correct, so you had no problem bending pipe. The newer ones are not made right, so we had to modify the die that came with it so it would work properly. You can see we welded some 1/4 inch steel on each side of it and made this way deeper so the pipe fits down in there. Here's a piece. See, it doesn't fall down inside. That's the way you want it. So it wedges itself down in there and it holds the sides from kinking. Which here's a piece. It was done after it was modified. And that's what it did. That's what it did to the piece before it was modified. Pipe kinker. Pipe kinker. Yeah, it took a little bit of engineering to get that right. There's 3 of us working on it. But now it works great. So I'd show you that. You want a pipe bender, not a pipe kinker.